What are you doing? You coming to see me? What are you doing? What you doing, girl? Let's go pick some dandelions. I got lots of them out there. Yeah. Hey, Big G. Let's go see the dandelions. This is the time of the year to take advantage of your good weeds. Dandelion. And I know there's a honeybee. I just heard it. Where'd it go? Oh well, it's okay. Anyway, I make dandelion jelly every year. And I just pick what I can pick. And I just pop it off like that. But anyway, pick as many as you can. Usually the dandelion jelly recipe calls for 4 cups of dandelion heads. I just pick as many as I can. I make the dandelion water and then I just use what I need when I make my batch of jelly. It's usually about 3 cups of water to 1 pectin and 4.5 cups of water, or sorry, 4.5 cups of sugar. But I will make sure that I put the recipe in the description below anyway. I'm also going to make dandelion tincture and dandelion salve, dandelion chapstick. All that is so good for you. And once these go to white, poofy heads, pretty much are done. Best time to make dandelion tea, or if you want to harvest the dandelion root, is late summer, early fall into late fall, when you can dig into the ground, get the root out, dry the root, or you can put it in the freezer until you need it. I dry it out, chop it up, put it in a jar, and then I just steep it in hot water and drink it. But there you go. Pick your dandelions and make you some jelly. After you get your dandelions and you rinse them off real good, you need to cut the little greens off is what I normally do. I just take a pair of scissors and I just clip right down there, clip some of that green off, and then I throw them in here so that'll give you an idea. See how much I cut off? And that way they open good, and when you start to boil your dandelion flowers, it just, works. You just don't have as much green in there, and it keeps a lot of that bitter out so that it's a little bit more sweet. Ooh, got it done, and these are ready to go. A little bit of green is not going to hurt anything, as long as you get the base off. Righty, so now I have my dandelion in my big cast iron pot. It is, let's see here, stir in there. It's probably halfway full of water. You want enough just to cover it, which these kind of float, so you just deal with that. But once it starts boiling, I just bring it to a boil, and then I turn it off and I let it steep for a couple hours. And then it'll be ready to make jelly. Alrighty, it's coming to a boil. Oh, it smells so good. And now that it's boiling and it's all covered, I will turn it off and I will let that seep for 2 hours. There's the dandelion tea after seeping for 2 hours. Okay, in the pot you put 3 cups dandelion tea, 1 package Pectin, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, bring to boil, add 4.5 cups of sugar, return to boil for 1 minute, and done. For 2 minutes. Hot. And there it is, my half pint dandelion jelly. Yummy. I will leave the recipe in the description below. Check it out. Give it a try. You will like it.